Hi, I'm Matt with Aeromotive Fuel Systems, and today for Tech Tuesday we're talking about a special project we've got here in the shop, which is a factory fuel tank out of a Nissan Patrol. A Nissan Patrol is a very popular fuel tank over in the Middle East and other places in Europe. A customer of ours has contacted us about doing a drop-in system for some high-performance applications they're working on over there that'll support up to 2,400 horsepower on gasoline. So what we've got here, factory Patrol tank. This was a factory sending unit out of one with just a single pump. And what we've actually come up with is a system that is a total drop-in using our patented Phantom bladder and foam system in conjunction with a new outlet cap capable of supporting 2 or 3 450 pumps. Again, in the 3-pump configuration, this setup is good to 2,400 horsepower on gasoline. So with this, we got the setup here. We'll insert our foam actually first, but then just simply drop it in the tank. 6 screws total. And then you'll have a tank capable of supporting, again, up to 2,400 horse with your Nissan Patrol. For you guys wondering too, what's comparable to the Nissan Patrol in a North American version of that, it's actually the Nissan Pathfinder is the closest relative to the Nissan Patrol. So the Pathfinder here in the United States is very similar to what the Patrol is here. But like I said, our customers in the Middle East are looking for a solution for their patrols to have some very high horsepower applications on the street. So how we came up with this was, they kind of came to us with a power level that they were desiring. We then started working backwards on how much pump we needed to support that much power, and then how we were going to package it all within this particular tank. So by working backwards with the customer, we've come up with this particular setup here in order to also get around some internal obstacles within the tank that are from the factory, because we want it to be a total factory drop-in with what is currently here without modifying the tank or asking the customer to make any real modifications to it. So that's why the arm that you see on the fuel pump hanger itself is offset. It's offset for a reason, that is to accommodate a factory fuel bucket that's already welded into the tank. So it offsets everything outside of it, sits inside of our foam that we need for the much larger volume of fuel to use this to keep the fuel necessary around those 3 pumps to feed that much horsepower. Stay tuned for more special projects too.